Sampurasun. Welcome back to Kabayan our YouTube channel. After a long time ago, it's like a month or 2 months, Kabayan did not make any videos. So now Kabayan come back with something different in on my video. So we can call it different with previous video because before I was like walking around, show you something, like explore the place. But now Kabayan stay home in my room, and then we're gonna review some product of hair coloring. So this is the one. If you see this one is written is Japanese, Chinese, so I'm not sure this one product from where. So this is hair coloring. So I grabbed this one from the online, the white one. So exactly there is some variety of the color. It's like blue, gold, green, silver. But no, Kabayan grab this one, the white one. Honestly, Kabayan is never had this one before. I mean, apply some color on my hair because honestly I'm not really happy with my hair. It's so dry, curly, so when I get long hair it's gonna be curly thing. So this is, I'm not so happy with my hair, but it's okay, forget it, because on this video we are not talking about my hair, but we're gonna talk about this product. Okay, so we can open. Ta-da! So this is one Mofazang hair coloring material. I never had this one before, so just let's read the
direction here. Other than that, here, take a small one of my palm of your hand, like a rubbing mini balm, try to get on your finger. And then gently follow the finger palm from the hair root from the bottom up, smear evenly. Not accidentally into the eyes in the rinse with water, children. So cut all this product to the children, okay? And then let's
try. You open. This is look like it's something like back home. It's like Gatsby. Smells like hair product, something. Look like sticky. Exactly, I watched already some video of this product review from other people, and then some of the video show me that this product is really good to use daily, except if there is something celebration. It's like big, not big celebration, it's like Halloween, something like that. If you want to look different, you can apply this product. So let's do this. We try this product. if they apply is only small thing, it's not gonna be look like the color. So this, okay, so from right here we can see this is the white color, but when I apply it's kind of silver and then very sticky. So this is the one. So if I'm not use this thing, like, so this kind of like it's so sticky, it's useless. Oh, and I don't so it's like wax. So you want to make your hair like, but I mean I don't see any color. I see the color, but it's quite silver, it's not white. Okay, so guys, I think this product is not really working on my hair because my hair is get sticky and I don't see any color right here. I see the color is silver. This hair after I apply this product, okay, it's so sticky. So thank you so much for following this video. I hope this one is working for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And then I just want to say that careful with this kind of product. Bye. You see my hand? My hand. It's like Superman. Manusia milenium. Yeah.